Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LTNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day over the past couple of days. Crazy price swings and insane volume, routinely doing over 1 billion shares. So there's definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. And after today's price movement, in my mind, it's established a couple of very established levels in terms of, let me put it this way. By no means am I trying to sit here and come across like I have some sort of special talent or that these are great discoveries on my end. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these levels and that they'll be watching them moving forward. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's exactly what we have with these areas. So the first level that a lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so, it's an important area, is right down here at 0.015. 0.015 is essentially right where the price found some support here. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this. It is a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price comes around that area, the price could, consolidate out and then potentially get a bounce in the upwards direction. Again, not guaranteed to happen. There's no such thing as a guarantee. But is that at least a rational, is it at least a valid thought to have? Absolutely. Now, had the price never ever bounced off of 0.015 before, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, the price could bounce off 0.015, you'd be totally valid to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? I mean, it's never happened before. But in this situation, it has happened. So does that mean it'll happen for sure again? Nope. Is it at least a valid thought to have? Absolutely. So keep a close eye on 0.015. And then if there is any sort of bounce in the upwards direction, every breakout play and their brother's uncle is going to be watching that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. So again, nothing is guaranteed, but if the price were to work its way up there and then get a break up through there, that break could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that'll be another level that you're going to want to watch very closely. So 0.015 key level of support, that 50-period moving average key level of resistance, and let's see what happens with that. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.